Let's make something a little different and a little edgy. How about some Tahitian Pearl spike earrings? You're going to need some supplies and tools. You'll need 2 pieces of 24 gauge wire, and I cut this 4 inches. 2 Tahitian pearls. You'll need your rhinestone spikes, 2 earring wires, 2 hoops. You'll need flush cutters, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and bent chain nose pliers. I already made one side. Now I'm going to show you how to do the other side. We're going to start with our wire. Come down about 1.5 inches. Bring the wire to the back. Come in with our round nose pliers. Come up, over, down. Rotate our pliers and bring the wire to the back. I'm going to pinch down the loop that I just made, open the door, and I'm going to add my circle. Then I'm going to take my chain nose pliers, hold that down, come in with my round nose pliers, and wire wrap around 2 times. Then I'm going to come in and cut off the excess. And pinch down my burr. I'm going to add my Tahitian pearl and wire wrap this side. So we're going to do it the same way. We're going to come in with our chain nose pliers, hold it right at the base of the pearl, bring the wire to the back, switch out, use our round nose pliers, come up, over, down, rotate our pliers, and bring the wire to the back. We're going to pinch down the loop that we just made, open the door. We're going to add our rhinestone spike, slide that down, pinch our hoop that we just made, and wire wrap around with our bent chain nose pliers. Then we're going to cut off our excess. Pinch our burr. We're going to open up our earring wire by turning it to the left. Putting on our hoop and closing it back up. And there we have our beautiful Tahitian Pearl spike earrings. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.